get through it. And I think if we made it through yesterday, we can get through today, right? Because yesterday we saw a record-setting high temperature of 99 degrees. Oh, so close to that triple-digit mark. I'm glad we didn't hit it, but man, it was close with that high of 99. Here's the deal. We beat yesterday's record high temperature, which was initially 93 degrees, set back on yesterday's date in 2007. But not only that, yesterday, that 99 degrees going down as the hottest November temperature we've ever recorded. And it was all due to high pressure, but that high pressure is quickly clearing to the east. And today we'll still be in the 90s, but we've got a significant cool down on the way. We're going to get there, and today could be the last 90-degree day. Now, this morning we're starting out with cloud cover across the valley. So it's a combination of how warm it was yesterday, plus this blanket of clouds that we essentially have on top of us. It's trapping in the warmth. You're seeing a little bit of green showing up on desert Doppler radar. That's likely moisture higher up in the atmosphere. Maybe a sprinkle or two coming out of that, but I don't think any of that is hitting the ground at all. And I think today is going to stay dry, but this weekend we're going to see those rain chances. Now, right now across the valley, a mix of 60s, 70s and 80s. A lot of 70s out there though. 71 our temperature in Tempe. It's 78 in Laveen and still in the low 80s in Buckeye. We're also holding on to the 80s in Fountain Hills and Apache Junction and the Santan Valley. Mid 60s though in Gilbert and Chandler. Those are some of our cooler spots at this hour. It's 76 degrees at Phoenix Sky Harbor. Still in the 70s at Lake Havasu and Bullhead City. Upper 60s in Sedona. Kingman checking in at 69. And we're down into the upper 30s in Flagstaff. So here's a look at these highs. It's still going to be pretty warm today. In fact, our temperature is running nearly 15 degrees above the normal high for this time of year, with Phoenix topping out at 94 degrees. But again, one more day. 81 for a high in Globe, 77 in Prescott, 83 in Kingman, and Flagstaff reaches the 60s. As you look at those highs around the valley, notice too that 30-year average, as I mentioned, well above average. Our 30-year average is 80 degrees, but we'll make it into the upper 80s in Anthem and Cave Creek, 94 today in Queen Creek, 94 in Goodyear, and 92 today in Peoria. And here's how we're going to get there. Starting in the 70s, and I don't think Phoenix is going to cool out of the 70s. At best, we drop into the low 70s around sunrise, then mid 70s by 8 a.m., low 80s by 10 o'clock, upper 80s by noon, and then 90s through the afternoon, with that high peaking at around 3 to 4 o'clock up to that 94 degrees. Now, let's talk about the changes this weekend, because the clouds are coming in out ahead of two storm systems that are heading our way this weekend. These storms helping push high pressure to the east. Storm number 1 sends a cold front into our state tomorrow morning. That cold front will help generate showers and thunderstorms as early as overnight into tomorrow morning across some of the higher terrain, with a slight chance for showers and storms here in the Phoenix metro area. This brings the first drop in temperatures into the 70s. But then by Sunday into Monday, we've got storm system number 2. It's going to be colder. It's going to bring higher snow amounts to the high country and a better chance for showers and thunderstorms to the valley. So a lot of clouds through the day today, but the rain chances will be confined to the higher terrain, where there's about a 10% chance for rain, and then overnight a few more showers up north. A 20 to 30% chance for showers and storms in the valley tomorrow, but you'll notice the best rain potential will be over that higher terrain tomorrow before we see that change over to snow. We get some snow Saturday night, and then Sunday we start the day a little quieter, but by Sunday night into Monday we see heavier snow and we see more of that rain potential here in the valley. As far as rainfall amounts, maybe about 1/4 of an inch of rain in the Phoenix metro area. For the high country, we could end up with as much as a foot of snow between Saturday and Sunday. The bulk of it will be falling Sunday into Monday. So the key is that travel will be challenging, if hazardous really, in the high country, especially Sunday night into Monday morning. For the valley, again, that chance for rain is there. I'm not expecting very heavy amounts, but instead a big cool down with highs into the 60s starting Sunday.